Okay children, moving on to again same, that's question number 1 only, another part. Now 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3, second power 3, let it be as it is, and this is the common power to whatever is there inside the bracket. Now 3 and 3 gets cut, we are left with 3 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power 2 and a common power 1 upon 2. Negative power, you reciprocate the base, power becomes positive. Negative power, reciprocate the base and the power becomes positive. Next step, 1 by 3 to the power 4, open up 3 4 times, it's 81. Open up 3 2 times, it's 9. Then sign of division is converted into multiplication and the base gets reciprocated. Cancel it, 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. This is second power. Now we are left with 1 into 1, that's 1, 9 into 1 is 9, and there is a common power outside. Now this power is for the base. Now it's a fractional power. Fractional power, you convert your base into exponential form. The best way is either you take the root method or the exponential method. I always prefer this method. That is 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2, and this is second power, powers to be multiplied. 2 and 2 gets cut. We are left with 3 to the power 1, which is 1 upon 3, and the final answer is 1 upon 3. Next, a base to the power 0 becomes 1. I'm making it 1 by 1 because the other parts are the fractional parts. Negative power, reciprocate the base and the power becomes positive. 1 power, no need to mention that. 1 by 2 to the power 2, 1 multiplied any number of times, 1 remains 1, and 2 open up 2 times, it becomes 4. Now LCM, it's 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4, 4 ones are 4, plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 threes are 6, plus 4 divided by 4 is 1, 1 ones are 1. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11 by 4, and as it is improper, we change it to a mixed fraction. Okay children, next part, 2 to 2, all the bases are same, 3 3 and 3, all bases are same. So here it is multiplication, add the powers, this is division, subtract the power. Same thing we'll do on the other side also. Upper powers will be added, the lower power will be subtracted. Now this is minus 5 plus 9, minus minus is plus 2. Same thing, minus 2 plus 2 gets cut, and minus minus is plus 4. Now 9 plus 2 is 11. And 11 minus 5 is 6, and here we are left with 3 to the power 4. 2 power 6 upon 3 power 4. Open up the powers, it's 64 upon 81. Now moving on to the next part. Fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. Then fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. Fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. Here let it be as it is, 64 converted into exponential form. Now this 5 and 5 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power 2. This 2 and 2 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power minus 1. 3 and 3 gets cut, this is 2 power 1, and in the denominator that's 2 power minus 2, and 3 and 3, that's 4 power minus 1. Now this 4 also you can write it as 2 power 2 and second power is 1. That will finally become 2 to the power minus 2, because all bases are 2 only, so we convert it to a base 2. Now in the numerator, this is being multiplied, so all the powers will be added, 2 plus the second power plus the third power, and in the denominator, this is division, so the powers will be subtracted. So first power minus the second power. So plus 1 and minus 1 can get directly cut, we are left with 2 to the power 2, and in denominator this is minus 2 and minus minus is plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power 0. Now 2 power 2 becomes 4, and any base to the power 0 is 1. So finally your answer is 4. You can write it as 4 upon 1, or you can write it as only 4. The last part of the question, fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. Power 0, it is equal to 1. Fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. Fractional power, convert your base into exponential form. 4 and 4 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power minus 1. This is 1. 5 and 5 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power 2, and here 3 and 3 gets cut, we are left with 2 to the power minus 1. Negative power, reciprocate the base. 1, 2 power 2 becomes 4 plus 2. Now here 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, and this is 1 by 2. Make it a fraction by putting in 1. LCM 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 ones are 1, plus 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 sevens are 14. 1 plus 14 is 15 upon 2, and converting into mixed fraction, that is the final answer 7, 1 upon 2. But as I have done from question number 1, I didn't do all the parts. Randomly I have picked up the parts. So these parts that we have not done will be your homework. That is question number 1, 2, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16 and 17 will be your homework questions. Thank you.